tiger. A tiger is a very big cat with very big teeth. What sound does a tiger make?
Die! Die!
Elephant. An elephant can squirt water from his trunk. What sound does an elephant make?
Haroo! Haroo!
Rooster. The rooster crows on sunrise. What sound does a rooster make?
Cockadoodle! Cockadoodle!
Duck. Mummy duck and her ducklings swim in the pond. What sound does a duck make?
Frog. The green frog plays in water puddles. What sound does a frog make?
Ribbit! Ribbit! Ribbit!
Fish. The little fish swims in the pond. What sound does a fish make?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Dog. The dog loves to play with a ball. What sound does a dog make?
Woof woof! Woof woof!
Cow. A cow eats green grass and gives white milk. What sound does a cow make?
Moo! Moo!
Pig. A pig loves to take a mud bath. What sound does a pig make?
Oink oink! Oink oink!
Owl. The owl is awake at night. What sound does an owl make?
Ooh ooh! Ooh ooh!
Bird. The happy bird sits on her nest of eggs. What sound does a bird make?
Hee hee! Hee hee!
Cat. The cat sits in the warm sunshine. What sound does a cat make?
Meow meow! Meow meow! Meow meow!
Sheep. The sheep gives us wool to keep us warm. What sound does a sheep make?
Baba! Baba!
Bunny. The bunny has long ears for hearing small noises. What sound does a bunny make?
Up up! Up up!
Bees. Bees help our garden and flowers to grow. What sound does a bee make?
Bye! Bye! Bye!